sugar for this holiday season? Well, we got the recipe just for you. This sugar cookie recipe is so delicious and simple to make that your guests are sure to enjoy it. Let's get started. So some of the key ingredients that you will need is all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. Okay, so we're gonna first take our all-purpose flour. We're gonna set this in a separate container, and you wanna go ahead and level it out with your knife. And we're gonna add some salt, baking soda, and a little bit of baking powder. And let's give this a good whisk around. We're gonna set this aside. Put our room temperature butter into our mixer. And you wanna make sure that it's room temperature. You don't want it melted, but you want it soft. Our granulated sugar. You wanna put some granulated sugar also off to the side in a bowl because we're gonna use that for later. All right, and let's get this baby mixing. We're gonna cream this together. Make sure that it's light and fluffy. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and add some vanilla extract. And we're just gonna add us an egg in here. And then we're gonna actually get the egg yolk. And you just wanna place your hand and let the egg whites drip. There we go. And we're just gonna add the egg yolk in there for extra moisture. And let's go ahead and give this a good mix in. And we wanna beat this for about another minute. You can use the egg whites. You make sure to use them for something. You don't want them to go to waste. Make it maybe an egg whites egg sandwich, you know? Or you can use it for another bacon recipe. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and add our dry ingredients. And we're gonna mix this just until combined. Okay, so for the sugar cookies, we're gonna just take our tablespoon scoop and a spoon. And we're just gonna place it in some granulated sugar. Coat it. Make sure it's coated all around. Shape it into a ball. And I'm going to coat it again. You're just going to do that for however many cookies that you would like to make. And you want to place these on our baking sheet about 1.5 to 2 inches apart, so they have enough room to spread and they don't stick together. Okay, so once you got them all rolled out and evenly spaced, we're gonna put these in the oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes, or just until the edges set and are light golden brown. Okay, and these are all done, and they cooked for a good about 12 minutes, and I cooked them just until they was just set and golden brown on the edges, and they got the nice sugar cookie classic look, you know. Smells amazing. We're just gonna let these cool on the baking sheet for about 5 to 10 minutes and let them finish setting before we transfer them to our cooling rack. Okay, and we just want to share some scripture with you. We're in Psalms 46, verse 1, and it says, "God is our refuge and strength, a helper who is always found in times of trouble." And God is our helper. He is our refuge, our strength. He's our ever-present help in trouble. He's there for us always. And we just want to remind you to don't be afraid to ask God for help. He wants to help you. He loves you. He cares about you deeply. Have a blessed week. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Comment down below, are you going to try this sugar cookie recipe? Also, don't forget to ring that notification bell and check out our latest video uploads.